A very good evening, everyone. Myself, Priya, is back again with the Hindu editorial analysis on 16 September 2020. So, we will discuss the editorial of today's Hindu newspaper. There are two articles in the editorial session. We will discuss both articles briefly with the vocabulary part which is present in that. The first article of today's is Ill Advised Move, and the second one is Venus in Focus. Okay, we will discuss both the articles in a very brief manner. We will start with the first article, that is Ill-Advised Move. By seeking contempt action for an innocuous comment, HC Judge has set off controversy. By seeking contempt action, what is meant by contempt? Disregard or disrespect, disdain, scorn, feeling that a person or thing is worthless. At school, she had complete contempt for everyone. And by seeking contempt action means disrespectful action or disdain. Okay, contempt action for an innocuous comment. Innocuous means which is not harmful or offensive. You can say that even safe. Some mushrooms look innocuous but are in fact poisonous. Okay, HC Judge has set off controversy. Given the embarrassment and adverse publicity suffered by the Supreme Court because of its verdict. What is meant by verdict? A decision led by the Supreme Court holding advocate Prashant Bhushan guilty of contempt for a couple of tweets. He had done some tweets. They are guilty of contempt, means they are disrespectful or scorn or disdain for a couple of tweets which were made by Prashant Bhushan. And the next sentence is, one would have thought that the superior judiciary would avoid wading into needless controversies by invoking its contempt jurisdiction. By invoking means call on a deity or in as prayer, cite or appeal to. Regulators said they would invoke legal powers to enforce the change. And what is meant by wading? Wading, attack, assault, walk with effort through water, paddle. The river was full, but we managed to wade across. However, Justice S.M. Subramaniam of the Madras High Court seems to believe that anyone criticizing judges should be dealt with by the threat of contempt. In an ill-advised move, he has written to the Chief Justice seeking permission. He is asking the Chief Justice for some permission. Initiate contempt proceeding against a prominent Tamil actor. What is meant by prominent? Most important, famous, well-known, leading. She is likely to play a prominent part in the forthcoming election campaign. It's election campaign. Okay, Tamil actor Surya, for an innocuous comment on recent judicial orders declining to interfere with the conduct of the National Eligibility Entrance Test, that is NEET, for medical courses. The actor, responding with anguish to recent suicides by MBBS aspirants out of fear of failure, had remarked that a court that dispenses justice through video conferencing out of fear. Video conferencing by MBBS aspirants out of fear of failure had remarked a court that dispenses justice through video conferencing out of fear of the coronavirus is ordering students to write an exam without fear. So what anguish means? Severe mental or physical pain, agony, disease. In her anguish, she forgot to leave a message. So they are not like what they are. MBBS students are suffering. Why are they doing suicides and all this? They are saying that in this pandemic, everyone will have a certain fear for exam. They're asking that with the fear of the exam and the fear of the COVID-19, should we write the exam without fear? Their question was that. And Surya, Tamil actor Surya, has also discussed about all these in the video conferencing. Okay. The judge claims that actor had questioned the integrity and devotion of judges that and that such a remark, if unpunished, would undermine public trust in the judiciary. So whenever the Surya has question to the judge, and if we don't respond to it, we will going to undermine the power of the judiciary. And what is integrity? Quality of being honest, uprightness, probity. No one doubted that the president was a man of the highest integrity. And it is only petulant resort to contempt law without necessary cause that would make the layman, what is meant by layman? Non-expert, non-professional, or amateur. The book is supposed to be the layman's guide to home repair. No reasonable person who reads Mr. Surya's statement would construe it as in contempt of court. Construe means taking in particular. So you can say interpret in a particular way. Understand, read. Any changes to the plan will be construed in decision. Okay. Construe it as a contempt of court, as it does nothing more than state an obvious fact. While the pandemic had resulted in virtual hearings, the court has allowed an examination involving 1.5 million students. So me does not with single or 2-3 students. It's about how did the court allow for writing exam of 1.5 million students? It is too dangerous for us even. Okay, like you don't you go to the exam, there someone will have you don't they don't work, they don't take proper hygienic conditions. You take proper hygiene, though it will spread. So Surya has questioned, and judges have to answer, and how did they give permission to keep this exam and all those. As pointed out by 6 former judges of the High Court in a letter to the Chief Justice, ask him not to act on Justice Subramaniam's letter, the judge's construction of the actor's comment is off the mark. Besides, no one would believe that actor had interfered with any judicial proceeding through this comment, or that it hindered the administration of justice in any way. That a judge should show unbelievable alacrity in shooting off a letter to Chief Justice within hours of the actor's statement being aired on television evidences an alarming level of intolerance towards criticism and a monarchical understanding of how courts ought to deal with public opinion. So as soon as the troll came, the judges reacted it immediately. So he's a very big actor. So it comes into the public fast, and it was also displayed on the television. So they said the judges responded it with alacrity, cheerfulness, eagerness, willingness. So I accepted his proposal with alacrity. And what is monarchical? Monarchical is nothing but relating to monarchy. So the king always used to have monarchical ruling, means self-ruling. Okay. The actors, who also runs a voluntary organization dedicated to increasing access to education for underprivileged children, has commented in the past too on matters related to education. There is no reason to abridge his constitutional right to do so, especially on an issue of public importance. So what is this issue? Public. All students are public. Everyone is public here. So why did this issue raise? What is this? Abridgment means to cut short, curtail, lessen. So you can say that now the relationship between us was abridged. Why? In this sentence, the relation means not about communicating and all those, being close with persons. Yes, because of the pandemic, we are having a social distance, a gap between each other. The gap between us is we kept so abridged to cut short. I think now you have understood the meaning of it. So why did this they do? Because giving importance to public. Okay. Further, Justice Subramaniam's request is also impermissible in law. The High Court does not have jurisdiction to initiate contempt in respect of an order passed by the Supreme Court, going by the apex court's apex means supreme apex court high main verdict in Kotusa Oberoi. There is no reason for Chief Justice Amreshwar Pratap Sahi to permit initiation of contempt against Mr. Surya. You are not having any right to permit or action against Surya because he had said something for the importance of public, right? So I hope that every one of you have understood the video, and I thank every one of you for watching this video. Thank you very much.